here very clearly. Here we have encapsulation process to be implemented. So encapsulation we implement always by the use of class keyword. Okay. So how to implement it? We make it class. Okay, and the name of the class. I am taking here the name of the class student. For student, we are taking some details. So we will take here some data members. So what kind of data members? First I am taking integer student ID. Student ID. Second data member, age of the student. Third data member, I am taking string type. Name. Okay, father name. Address. Next I am taking marks. Okay, we have taken some data members for the student ID, student age, then name, father name and marks. We have taken this. After that, these all data members are private. What kind of data members? Private. So we are not accessed directly from the outside of the class. We cannot access directly from outside the class. So we need some interface to access these data members. How to make this interface? We make the interface like some method to be interacting with this data members. So these are called data members. And these data members are private because we are not writing anything. Private data. Now we need to make some interaction. This interaction we can make by using public. So whenever you are writing a public here, it means the whole section will become public. So we are writing here like void name of the method, and after that inside the method we are writing here cout. This is the initialization of data members. Cout, enter student ID. Okay, then cin, inside this where we are putting the ID, stu underscore ID. This is the student ID. Okay, second is student age. And here just how many data members? Name, okay, student ID, student age and student name, student father name, and after that student address and student marks. These are the data members, and we are typing here the name of the data members. and the last one is marks. So these are the data members. We have taken the values from the user. Okay. Now you will do one thing. These things take from here and put here. It's like that. Okay. Now it is okay. Then after that we will apply another method for display the values. So void output or display anything. Easily just copy from here. This is called member function, and we are using this member function to initialize the data members. Initialize the data members for the class. Second member method output. We use this method for display the output on the screen. So you can see here in this class student we have data members. These data members are private. After that we have one public method insert. This public method we are using to initialize the data members of the class. These are the data members: student ID, you can check the name, father name, age, address and marks. These are the name of the data members. After that we are using here one more method to display the output on the screen. So we have written here cout statement. First is for ID, second for name, father name, age, address and marks. Okay. Here we need to apply one thing and L, otherwise all the data will be in the one line. So just apply this. After that just create a object of this class. Student like S. Now S dot insert is the method name. Second, S dot output is the method name. Then only we need to do this. After the object we just call the particular functions. Here the beauty is data private, functions public. It will ask to you the values to enter. Student ID 102, student name, student father name, student age, student address, student marks 0. You can check here student ID. This is from the output method. The output from output method, this is for insert. Okay, this is insert and this is output. So enough for today. In the next class we will do the next things.